Welcome to the Wealth Crown. Today, I'll teach you 5 steps to make $5,000 from just 2 hours of work. Wait, what? $5,000 in 2 hours of work? Yes, you heard that right. You might be shocked when you hear this, but let me break it down for you. Let's say you create a digital ebook. If you're not familiar with ebooks, they are digital products that you create once and can sell hundreds or even thousands of times. Unlike physical products, they exist as a PDF file that you can easily share and sell online. Now that you understand what an ebook is, great. Let's say you create an amazing ebook in just 2 hours and people love it. You decide to sell it as a PDF for $10. If 500 people buy your ebook, that's $10 times 500 equals $5,000. See? You just made $5,000 from 2 hours of work. Now, let's dive into the steps to create an ebook and start selling it. Step 1. Find a topic. Ask ChatGPT to give you 10 unique topics or titles that people love, or you can ask it just like me. And if you didn't like them, you can just write 10 more, and it will give you 10 more topics. Now I will check if I like any of them. Here I guess. The future of work. Thriving in a remote and freelance economy is a good one. Step 2. Create the book. After you have choose the topic, ask ChatGPT to do and write everything that a book should have, like the introduction and table of content and the chapters or how many pages do you want, or you can just ask to choose randomly. ChatGPT will explain to you about everything that he's about to do, like chapters. What is each chapter's about? Now after it is done, ask ChatGPT to start writing the book step by step. I will just ask to start from chapter 1 because it's just for test and make you understand how to do it. There it is. It will write the whole chapter 1. And you can tell it use friendly words that people love it when they read the book. And also, you can change the words by yourself in this box that ChatGPT write chapter 1. Step 3. Upload the book as a PDF. Use Google Docs. Copy the chapter 1 and then paste it on Google Docs. Like I said, I will just use chapter 1 cause it's just a test. In here you have to customize or format it. But not with your choice. You can search on Google or ask ChatGPT what are the conditions that a book should have, like size, font, spacing, margins, and some other thing. Step 4. Create the book cover. Go to Canva to create the book cover, click on Create Design button and write book cover. Here you can make a design by yourself, or you can use templates. I will use template to let the video be short, not too long. I guess this one is good enough. My topic was the future of work. In top, you can write your name. And I will change the year. Now we are in 2025 to 2026. Okay, we said it's just a test, ignore the others. Also, you can change the images. All you need to do, upload your image and put your image on the circle. Step 5. Sell your ebook on Etsy or Gumroad. They both are good platforms for selling the digital products like ebook, template, online courses, a lot of other digital products. Yep, that was $5,000 from 2 hours of work by 5 simple and easy steps. Find a topic, create the book, upload the book as a PDF, create book cover and sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. Also, you can sell it on Amazon Kindle. So, was this video helpful? If it was, don't just sit there. Go create your own ebook and start making money. And hey, if it wasn't helpful, well, at least now you know how not to write an ebook. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're ready to be the next best-selling author. Who knows, your ebook could make me your biggest fan. See you in the next one.